On number 5, we've got to find the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. Now there is a formula to help you remember this, how to find the sum of the interior angles, but it helps to know where it's come from. Basically, we know what the angles in a triangle add up to. They add up to 180. We know in a quadrilateral they add up to 360, but that's because in a quadrilateral, a four-sided shape, we can split it down into two triangles. So we've got the angles in this triangle, and we've got the angles in this triangle. And as you can see, they make up all the outside angles of the quadrilateral. So we've got 180 there, and 180 there. And that's why they add up to 360. Sorry for the wavy lines. Now the same rule applies to a pentagon, or any other polygon for that matter, any other shape with straight sides. Just split it down into as few triangles as you can, and then multiply that number of triangles by 180. So if we split this one into triangles, and by the way, to split it into as few as you can, just choose one point. Oops. And just go from that point to any other corner which doesn't already have a line going to it. So that one already has a line going to it, and so does that one. Okay. So we've got three triangles there. So that's 180 here, 180 there, and 180 there. Okay. So the angles in a pentagon will add up to three lots of 180, which is 540. Now in general, the rule for working out what the sum of the angles of a polygon is we do n minus 2, where n is the number of sides, times 180. So you can see this has worked for the pentagon because the pentagon has 5 sides. If we do 5 minus 2, that gives us 3. So this bit in the brackets is essentially telling us how many triangles there are in the shape. So 3 times 180 gives us 540. This formula will work for any polygon there is.